What's up everybody, welcome back to Togi Lab. This is part 4 of the turbo replacement on the white 2013 WRX. Let's get started. This is going to be another time-lapse video. Here you can see what that new AOS drain hose looks like that taps into the turbo return line. After the downpipe is installed, we are going to put back on the heat shield bracket and the O2 sensor, as well as the bracket for the AOS. Next, we're going to work on the intercooler piping here. We are also mounting back the actual intercooler on the car. With everything in the engine bay button down, we can put the bumper back onto the car. There's a few more bits that I forgot to put on the car, as well as tightening up the radiator bracket, and this concludes our part 4. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.